So you got yourself a new Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT Sport model, and you're looking at the front end and you notice these little filler plates between the bumper and the fenders, and well, they don't look that good. And the other models don't have them. So let's get them out of there. We have to drop the splash pan, we remove a handful of screws, and they come right out. So let's do it. Grab a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver, and you're gonna get right in between the little pins. And then you've got two 8mm screws. And your splash pan's out of the way. All right, for the screws, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's one down underneath the front of the bumper. So what do you think of that? That looks a lot nicer, a lot less pedestrian, a little more Jeep-like. So if you're looking for a mod that doesn't cost you any money, just a little bit of time, remove those filler plates and make your Jeep look a lot better. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.